Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm making delicious cabbage rolls, and I hope you'll enjoy them. I start with 1 cup of rice. Wash it well and soak it in hot water for 1 hour. Finely chop 1 large onion. One bell pepper and 4 garlic cloves. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. Add the onion and garlic and cook for a few minutes. Season with salt to taste. Now add ½ kilogram of ground beef and cook for a few minutes. Next, add the bell pepper along with the spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Add the soaked rice and mix well. Then let the mixture cool completely. For the cabbage, boil the cabbage until softened. Place some stuffing on each leaf and roll them up. In your pot or baking dish, put some extra cabbage leaves on the bottom, then layer your cabbage rolls on top. For the sauce, mix 2 tablespoons tomato paste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 cups hot water. One can of tomato, pour this sauce over the cabbage rolls. Cover and bake for 1 hour in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Your healthy and tasty cabbage rolls are ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another easy recipe. Take care.